Addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Attracted to me. Addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Come wind up by me.
So today is Boxing Day, y'all. We on the road. We're passing You're so annoying. We're passing Flavors Beach right now, but it looks like something's happening over here because it is packed as shit. Chicken. Something is happening over there. I wish we had something to put right here.
You know what we should have carried? My camera.
Oh shit, you know it fell behind the dresser? I forgot to pick it up. We're on our way to Port Maria right now to visit some of Ziggy's family. I never met them before. I don't know. You met some of them, right? Met some of them. I'm gonna be shy. As usual.
Not called shy,
no, I'm gonna be shy as usual. But let me tell you all how it is cold out here. Like they're laughing at me because I'm bawling because it's so cold. It is cold. Like, you know, like summer, no, not even summer, like fall or spring. No, fall. When it's slowly getting chilly, that's how out here feels. Like, this is my voice still sounds kind of.
Because even in my other day, man, I don't know if I talk to the people. When the man show me that, like, he
the snow?
Like, up yourself, I care. You see me?
Yeah.
And the man I say, but they're cold. No, yeah, they're cold.
Over here it's chilly. No, it's chilly over here. I can't even recover from my cold to how like cold it is out here. I go to bed in Ziggy's like your sweater with hoodie on and a big blanket and socks. I usually don't sleep in socks. That's how you know it's cold. I'm not boosting y'all. It's cold. I don't care. We live in real bush, so it's in the summer it's really, really, really hot, and in the winter it's just like chilly. Like even in the morning, the night when you go to bed is cold, and in the morning it's like hot. What? Don't worry, y'all. Ziggy about to shave. My scruffy bear.
Must say I see on beer is too much.
So last night I made I don't even know if I can call it. I guess I can call it roast chicken. I made roast chicken. It tastes freaking amazing. It tastes so good. It's my first time actually making a whole chicken in the oven with Ziggy's assistant and my dad. Yeah, but the food was so good last night and I was so hungry I forgot to even vlog or take a picture of the food, but everything came out so good. Like literally everyone just ate. Like the food tastes good. I couldn't even get up to grab my camera. Couldn't bother.
Like
my AC.
I go watch for you. One light where you put right now in the middle part I carry. So
underneath?
Right, it's right to show the piece of it in the middle. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over your license plate?
No.
Oh.
You see on the bottom I carry.
So yeah.
Right to the piece of like one little square line like bad one.
Anyways, y'all, I'll show y'all what's going on like as soon as we reach. It's supposed to be a long drive still.
Yep.
I told Ziggy let me drive, but he doesn't want to let me drive. Sharky's slowest service in life. Look at my sexy baby. Hey, man, you breaking you bite back, huh? Time for the sexing. Ooh yeah. Yo, this bear's. What do you call these people? Obia people? I'm joking.
Blood.
Holy shit. Wait, I'm trying to turn. You're like cat with Jamaica, I swear.
Easy, I'm gonna tip you money.
I don't have no change.
Yeah,
are you joking? I actually have no change, I swear. Ziggy.
Yo, me lady, you're shouting, no, me
I have no change. Honestly, I have no change.
Give us something, man. We share it. Give us something, we
Boy,
share
them take the water.
Yeah, they took
it. Give us something, we share it. I know for we. Yes, I know for we.
I actually have no change. I swear.
Give us something, we share it. I know for we. I know for we. Give us something, we share it. Give us something, we share it. Yes. Yeah.
Make sure you guys share it.
My uncle used to do this, so I love them. I love them.
I can't. Did you really just give her 5 bills for that?
Please, you say money.
Just know you owe me 5 bills.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Me.
I know. No, but what? Yo, what is that? Why do they do that?
Puno drunk. Drunk puno.
No more late night sexting. Time for the... Can you stop? You just scared me.
Say my come back here. That was funny.
Wow, I deleted the other... Are you dumb?
What?
I made a snap and I deleted it. Just can't have it on here.
Ziggy's your cameraman now. Can't say Port Mariano look good. Huh?
Christmas in Jamaica be like...
What do you have to say for yourself?
So, whoa, zoomed up in my face and ish.
So. Fully.
Ew, why is it so blue?
It's a shame. You know?
Wait, you guys can't
Just
even
to
see
check
us.
your family, you know?
They can't even see us yet. You look at me. We just left Ziggy's family. The first time I'm meeting them, well, some of his family, I should say. First time we're meeting them. What am I saying? Me.
So in Europe, Port Maria. You should never come up.
I think I've been up here, but we just drove through, you know.
Oh yeah.
I think we just drove through.
Oh crap, but you need to see on KFC.
Yes. Going to
Maybe
Ochi.
KFC though.
Stop at
Fast
Ochi.
KFC run this up.
Oh really?
Yeah. So go eat there.
I just had some rum cake. Ziggy's grandma made rum cake. And I just got some and I got some to go. Actually tastes so good. It wasn't too strong, it was just right. Because I know some people make it and they make it too strong with the rum. Plus, I had a shot of Red Label wine. And it's just burning out my belly right now. I'm so hungry. We're just driving home right now and it's so dark and chilly. Yeah, so we're gonna get some KFC. Because since I came, I didn't have KFC. The first time I ever come in here, I didn't have KFC.
Because what you'd say when you come down, you don't want to hold it for fast food.
Or we're gonna cook
You
it.
want to cook food.
Yeah, but don't make it seem like we just buy box food all the time. No. No. So anyways, I'm trying to make Ziggy try like my type of food, the type of foods that I eat. So he never had salmon before, so I want to buy salmon so he can try salmon. Even though like salmon is dear as hell out here. We tried pasta before. Chicken pasta. We didn't try ground beef. I don't know how they sell their ground beef out here. He had baked chicken my way. Not baked chicken, but bear chicken. With bear ketchup. But yeah, so I don't know how to
Yum. That's all I need. That's all I can say.
Yeah, that was good. Family's so friendly. Your cousin's like, I was just gonna shake her hand. She's like, no, I hug. I don't even remember her name. The first one that we saw when she came up the stairs. Then went like this. I'm like, oh hi, I'm Nisha, and she's like, no. She's like, I hug. I love her accent. She has like the English accent, London accent. Sick still.
But basically, my family. She, the other girl, we know that.
Yeah. She's from Toronto though, like Brampton.
Why that man say like?
Dang, that's so far away from Ochi.
What?
I said I knew that's so far away from Ochi.
Oh.
29.
I never. Them say me know her because probably when me younger.
Yeah.
But
you look different because even all the hair on your face, you look different.
Yeah, yeah.
Plus
You look like a man, you understand?
But I'm getting stuffy again, man. So I was gonna stop at the pharmacy, and this guy's turning on the AC. Aw, you're so sweet.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you guys in a bit. Cause Ziggy's bright and he wants to have intimate car moment with me. So that don't sound right. Okay, later. We end up stopping. I didn't get my KFC because I guess Ochi. We passed Ochi. We passed Ochi and it was packed, like crazy packed. Went to 2 different ones and it was crazy packed. So now we're at Ocean 11 getting real food. I'm getting ake sawfish and plantain and no, not getting plantain. Festival and Ziggy's getting steamed fish, both of us. Milk what? Yeah. Ziggy always gets camera shy. We're sitting by the ocean. I thought it was gonna be cold, but I guess it's not even that cold. It's like karaoke night. But karaoke didn't even start yet. I can pull the camera. You love me. You love me. Sila, Sila, Sila. Hey. You love We're finally home, just chilling, eating some food. He's so full, I swear. But we had a productive day. It was a great evening. We didn't really vlog much because we wanted to have a little intimate one-on-one moment. You know what I mean?
Yo, smell up the food if you
No, it's you being craving. Trying to make it seem like it's for me. Anyways, we about to go to bed. No, we're about to eat and then watch this movie, whatever the hell this is, and go to bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah, I'm in an elevator, isn't it?
I actually can't.
Yeah, man, look come on.
Eat the food now.
I might play, man.
Later.
Yeah.